Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for silver. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So silver definitely made a very dramatic turn to the downside. Definitely did make it break a structure. This little break of structure doesn't really prove much to me, and it literally only proves that this wave from here to here is over. There is definitely a chance that it makes a higher low and goes back up, but because of the one, two, three, four, five waves we have here, and because of how impulsive this is, I think what's going on is we're going to end up making a correction to the whole five waves. Potentially something like this. Someplace between 38 and 78% of this whole wave up. And because this right here is turning at a level that is not a Fibonacci level, that's why I think this move down potentially is going to be a correction, and it very likely will end up continuing the uptrend probably after at least a week or so of pullback. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I for now I got my Fibonacci from here to here because if it does make a significant Fib bounce, you probably should try to go long. But more than likely, it's going to end up being a correction to that whole move up, which means that it probably will end up taking out the low of wave four, and that this move down is likely just an A of an ABC correction. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this is probably just a wave A. I mean, it definitely looks to be like a wave one, wave two, wave three. Probably gonna have to make like a wave four, then probably down again for a wave five, and that's gonna be the completion of a wave A. Then it will probably make a pullback to the whole five waves down, like a wave B, something like this for like a wave B, and then you'll probably get another impulsive five waves down for a wave C to complete this ABC, which I think is the ABC pullback I was talking about on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpopcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.